Nice and lovely. Just come from work and feel tired and feel for some porridge, you know what I mean, because of the weather. Only thing come to my mind is to make some porridge. First of all, I got some almond. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm in our kitchen. Now I from my fans then. Some almond. Straighten it like this. Alright? With a little bit of milk. You see that? Almond and milk. Wicked recipe with me I go now. Let me have one green finger of plantain. Search my cupboard and find out one I left back, you know. So yeah. Now I'm going to the bin. I'm gonna make something with it. Cut it up small. Put it straight in it like this. Put some more milk in it. Because we want it to free up the blender. Alright. Second thing. I got a little bit of cornmeal left back. And to be honest, nah, I had nothing from the fans, but just I'm gonna see exactly sometime when you come from work and things in the kitchen, how you can do it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour some cornmeal in it like this. Because this has a little bit of cornmeal left back. And that looking good. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pour a little bit more milk. Nice one. So we got almond, plantain, and cornmeal porridge. Quick one. Now Wednesday evening when I come from work I need something. So I'm gonna be blending this about 4 minutes. Nice one. Just finished blending it. Look at this. See that? Everything in it. Almond, plantain, and cornmeal porridge. Wednesday evening dinner. Alright, look at this now. Inside of this pot I got 3 cups of water and the pot start boil up. So we're gonna put 1/4 cups of coconut milk. 1/4 cups of coconut milk in it. Just like that, guys. After you put the coconut milk, get your blending mixture and you're going to add it also to it like this. Nice one. So when you add that to it, simple. Give it a little whisk, have it on a high heat, and what we're gonna do is gonna be starting making it cook, and it's gonna form thick. As you can feel the body start to get thick already. Nice one. So as I can see, when you get thick, look at that, beautiful. Almond, cornmeal, and green banana, green plantain. So basically we just want to get thick, so we're going to allow that for boil for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add a lot more ingredients to it and sweeten it up, you know what I mean? Nice recipe, guys, enjoy it. Yes, that's the thing at the moment. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in some spices and sweeten it. Simple. Pinch of salt, not too much, because I don't want to have too much salt tonight. Give it a quick whisk. And then a whole pot porridge now. It's a one-man pot porridge. Turn on the stove a little bit. And little bit of mixed spice. And the most important thing you have to have in it is this. If you don't have nothing else in it, make sure you got this one. Nothing egg. Pinch of nothing egg in it. Give it a whole heap of flavor and a whole heap of taste. And also pinch of cinnamon. Not too much. Just a little pinch. I don't want it too strong and overtake. And I want to tell you that cinnamon is really good for you. So, you know what I mean? Basically, if you notice on my YouTube channel, I have a lot of drink with cinnamon. Why? Because cinnamon wash it out, flush it out, and reduce all of those fat we want to grow inside of you. So there's a thing which I have coming up very soon, how to reduce fat from growing. Looking forward for that one. So now we're going to sweet some condensed milk in it. Nice one, because I don't want it too sweet. So I'm not going to put no more in it, because I don't want it too sweet. Oh my days, don't tell me that. I run out of vanilla. Oh, this almond. Almond, can't use it, man. Can't use the almond in it. I run out of vanilla, you know. But anyway, if you got vanilla, put a little bit in it. I run out of vanilla. Oh, I forgot that, man. Alright, let's keep going, see how we get. I'll put a little bit more heat. Let's give it a taste. Nice one. That's perfect. You know why? Because I don't like too much salt and I don't like too much sugar. Leave that for boil for about 5 minutes. And we're gonna shear it out. Alright? Nice and lovely. So basically, I eat this now, you know. Let's shear it out. I finish. Nice. When I leave it for boil for about 5 minutes. Now it's finished. We're gonna shear it out, alright? Nice one. Nice and lovely. So basically that's my bowl. I'm just gonna pour it out like this. You guys can see exactly what's going on. And I believe I eat that. Oh, that's too much still, you know what I mean? But just to show the fans them while I go on at the kitchen. Alright? So look upon that. The real authentic cold weather food. Alright, when you live in a country like this, we're so cold, you need energy. And the only way you can get some energy is by drinking some porridge, something like this. So guys, hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe like this coming out day by day. You know what I mean? So subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And as I say, almond, plantain and cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. If you want to grate your coconut, you can do that. And also, you know what I mean, there's a lot of spices. Brilliant. You will love it. So enjoy it and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.